Welcome to the second part of this video, guys, and we'll get through a few more tasks. I don't think we'll get quite to the end, but we'll give it a bit of a shake. If a port is closed, which flag should the server send back to indicate this? Syn. Uh-oh. Okay, let's try RST. Reset. RST. There we go. Got a 7 days. Got a 7-day badge. Look at me go. Which RFC defines the appropriate behavior for the TCP protocol? Get Mr. Google out here, I think. Unless it's RFC 793. Could be that one. Imagine that'd be the case. Cool. Excellent. Just had to read. Syn scans. Syn scans. So those are the switch for the Syn scans. What does this do? Scan a TCP port range, however, slightly different. Like half open or stealth scan, so a bit sneakier. There are two other names for a Syn scan. What are they? Stealthy and half open or stealth. Awesome. Can Nmap use a Syn scan without sudo permissions? For this reason, Syn scans are the default scans used by Nmap if run with sudo permissions. So I'd say yes, it can. What? Fair enough. Cool. The answer's no. Reading that made me think it was yes. For this reason, Syn scans are the default scans used by Nmap if run with sudo permissions. Fair enough. That makes sense if I read it again. UDP scans. Issue is the switch. If a UDP port doesn't respond to an Nmap scan, what will it be marked as? That's a good question. Let me find that out for you. Filtered. Oh no, that's too long. If there is still no response, it's opened or filtered. I'll just go open filtered or. Okay, cool. When the UDP port is closed, by convention, the target should send back a port unreachable message. Which protocol would it use to do so? Icmp. Send back a ping, 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 ping. Let's get rid of that one. Which of the three scan shown scan types use the URG flag? Well, let's find out. Let me get my reading glasses on. Do a search for URG. Xmas. Why are null, fin, and Xmas scans generally used? That's firewall evasion. Is that the reason? Cool. That just stuck out to me. Which common OS may respond to a null, fin, or Xmas RFC with a report? I'm just going to try Windows Vista. Nah, I got a bit trigger happy there. Microsoft Windows, even simpler. There we go. Oh, it's very specific. Icmp network scanning. How would you perform a ping sweep on the 172.16-0 or -x network using Nmap CIDR notation? Ping SN 172.16-0-0-22, I think. Got to get my subnetting out here. I might have to get the subnet calculator kicking out. So the last two are taken. So there's 32 bits here, 16 taken up. So that'll be 16 then. Might have to use the clue here. 172.16. My bad. My bad. Got there in the end. I just saw ping sweep and I'm like, yeah, it has to be that. Silly me indeed. So what is the language NSC scripts are written in? It is written in Lua. What category of scripts would be a very bad idea to run in a production environment? Intrusive, I would say. Working with NSE. Alright, we've got script phone. What optional argument can FTP anon.nse script take? We got max list. Is that the one? Yes, got it. Go Google. What do we got next? Searching for scripts. Okay, so now we know how to use Nmap, not Nano. Search for SMB scripts in user scripts directory. What is the file name of the script which determines the underlying OS of the SMB server? Got to find SMB. Or does it want me to do it in the actual VM? I don't want to have to wait. Alright, looks like we have to get a Linux box going. Sorry guys, gonna have to wait a whole minute while that is loading in the background. Read through the script. What does it depend on? I won't be able to do that one for a bit. Okay. I'm just gonna go no for fun. Cool. Yeah, I'll complete the conclusion because I can. Just get more green ticks while we're waiting. Sure. So we're on the attacker machine. Oh, I always think the attacker box is the other way around. Okay, let's open up our terminal. cd user share nmap scripts. Let's have a look. Not the ticket. That's the one. SMB. I just had it. OS Discovery something. There we go. OS Discovery.nse. Sweet. Read through the script. What does it depend on? Let's find out for you. Copy. Nano. Oh, I can get a hint. That's good to know. Computer name. Try it without these. Gotta try all possibilities. Which simple and frequently relied upon protocols often use the PN switch? So Icmp. Cool. Which Nmap switch allows you to append an arbitrary length of random data to the end of packets? Dr. Google for this one. Data-length. Nope. Payload options. Ah, there we go. Dash dash data length. There we go. Practical. Doing the practical side of things. Does target tend to respond to ICMP pings? Oh, let's try it out. I already said no, but let's just validate the theory, do the practical exercise, be a good lad. And no bingo. Not having a bar of it. So it doesn't respond to ICMP ping. 7 transmitted, none received. That is a nerdy no-no. Perform an Xmas scan on the first 999 ports of the target. How many showed up as open or filtered? There's a reason given this. What is it? Target 10.10.158. Hopefully this doesn't take 2 years. Could take ages, to be honest. Alright guys, we'll let that run in the background and do its thing. Here we go, we got results. How many ports are shown to be open or filtered? All 1,000 scan ports on the... Oh, it'll be 999 then. The answer will be in your scan results. Think carefully about the switches before asking, and read the hint before asking for help. Let's go to the Google. Not shown. Reason. No responses. Let's try that. Sweet. Perform a TCP Syn Scan on the first 5,000 ports of the target. Oops. How many ports are shown to be open? Syn Scan. Let's try that. -P. Oh, I didn't control exit, did I? I can just space and it'll keep updating. There we go. Well, at least it doesn't let you sit here for hours. It's good. 30 seconds. Open up Wireshark while we're waiting. Wireshark, where are you? How many ports are shown to be open? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There they are. It's pretty handy ports of that. Open Wireshark for instruction to perform a TCP connect scan. Make sure you understand what's going on. Yeah, if you had Wireshark, that'd be great. I swear this has Wireshark on it. Wireshark, there it is. I'm going to have to do some Wireshark clearly. It's alright, I'll get to Wireshark 101 one day. And I'm sure I'll have to do plenty of captures in there. But that's it. That's it, guys. So let's close this off. Terminate this one. Terminate this one. Alright. That's the end of Nmap. It was fairly lengthy, that one, to be completely frank. Well, we got the 7-day badge. I reckon I'll get that. Network services. I'll just take a bit of a squiz at that. There's probably 100 exercises here as well. Oh, nice. Some pretty handy ones in there, actually. Yeah, not too bad. Just we've done the initial scanning, and now time to exploit some of the bad stuff. So the really exciting stuff comes up next. Guys, so thanks for watching the second part of the Nmap. Next up, we'll do network services and go from there. So thanks, guys, for watching the video. I'll speak to you all next time.